Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered if eating apples can lead to weight gain? Today, I'm here to uncover the truth about apples and weight loss. Let's dive right in. First things first, apples are one of the most popular fruits out there. They're low in calories, with less than 100 calories per medium apple, and they're high in fiber. This combination is fantastic because it helps you feel full and satisfied, which is great for weight loss. But wait, there's a twist. Some sources suggest that eating an extra apple a day could potentially lead to weight gain. The reason? Apples contain naturally occurring sugars, specifically fructose. If consumed in large amounts, fructose can add up those extra calories and potentially lead to weight gain. However, let's put things into perspective. Eating 2 to 3 apples a day as part of a balanced diet is unlikely to cause significant weight gain. In fact, apples are packed with fiber, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that support overall health and weight loss. Now, you might be thinking, how many apples are too many? According to some sources, eating 5 to 6 apples a day might lead to weight gain due to the excess sugar and calories. But if you stick to 1 to 2 apples a day, you're in the clear. Moderation is key, as with any food. So, what's the takeaway here? Fruits, including apples, play an essential role in a healthy diet. They're rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, and they can help you feel full and satisfied. Just remember, it's crucial to balance your fruit intake with other nutrient-dense foods like nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Let's not forget portion control. Overconsumption of any fruit can lead to an excessive intake of calories and sugar. For example, a single banana has about 100 calories. While that's not high, eating multiple bananas a day can add up. When it comes to fruit choices, some are better for weight loss than others. Berries and citrus fruits, with their lower sugar content and higher fiber, are excellent choices. On the other hand, fruits like mangoes and pineapples are higher in sugar and calories. And here's a pro tip. Whole fruits are generally better than fruit juice for weight loss. Whole fruits have more fiber and less sugar, making them more filling and less likely to contribute to weight gain. Fruit juice, on the other hand, can be high in calories and sugar, and low in fiber. Incorporate a variety of whole fruits into your diet. Aim for 1 to 2 servings per day, and pair them with other nutrient-dense foods. This way, you get the most out of your fruits without overdoing it. So there you have it. Apples, like all fruits, can be part of a healthy weight loss diet when eaten in moderation. Remember, balance is the key to success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.